I want to talk about the use of WhatsApp and the distinction between that and any other form of communication. WhatsApp, as you are aware, is a message system that allows encrypted messages, which by its very essence is intended to be private. So there was a case involving a reporter at the CBC, and he had used his company laptop to access WhatsApp and also Twitter, and he happened to leave his laptop open at one point in time, and one of his colleagues decided to come along and take screenshots of his computer. That's the kind of guy you want working beside you, right? In any event, that's what happened, and this resulted in disciplinary proceedings taken against the reporter. But when the case went to hearing, the decision was that the communication on the system, not only WhatsApp but also Twitter, by the way, was intended to be private by virtue of the nature of the communications. And particularly WhatsApp, as the decision continued, because it's encrypted, it was clearly intended that the contents remained to be confidential. So in this case, the arbitrator determined that the documents, the evidence, was not admissible and found in favor of the employee. But the case did go on to say, well, it depends on the situation as to what's being investigated. If there's a serious criminal event being investigated, whatever the crime alleged may be, it may take on a different color. But clearly in this case, the communications, again, intended to be private and were not admissible against the individual. Again, I repeat the same mantra. Why go through this nonsense and have this even as an issue? Don't use the company server and don't use the company phone ever for anything close to personal. It's just going to result in a potential issue being raised against you. So learn and beware.